guys, Jordy here from Premiere Basics, and I know we already made a Halloween video, but I really wanted to make another one because otherwise I'll have to wait until next year. Today we're gonna create a haunted mirror effect with a special little touch to make it even scarier. For the first shot, you can see Tymon washing his hands, then he's acting like there's a ghost in the mirror and he runs away. By the way, this is filmed on a tripod. For the second shot, don't touch that tripod and then just film yourself as the ghost in the mirror. You can then pick up a towel and play around with it. Little spoiler, the towel is gonna levitate. So make sure though that your arm isn't visible inside the mirror. Also, don't make harsh movements with the towel because that will make it much more difficult to create the effect in post. Alright, now let's jump into our favorite program, Premiere Pro, and move the first shot into the timeline. Find the movement where the talent notices the towel moving and press the M key on your keyboard to set a marker. Then drag the clip of the mirror version into the timeline and find the frame where the towel starts moving. Set another marker and drag the clip so that both markers snap to each other. Now what we just did is synchronize the two videos. Now select the mirror video and head over to the effects controls. Then go to opacity, click on the pen tool and draw a mask around the mirror. Try to follow the edges accurately. Now the other video will become visible again and the mirror will be replaced by the original version. Alright, that was it for today's video, guys. Make sure to hit the like button and everything. Nah, just kidding. This was the easy part of the tutorial. Now comes the hard part. You see, we have a problem. Tymon is overlapping with the mirror. This ruins the effect, but let me show you how to fix that. First, select the video and duplicate it by holding down Alt and dragging it on top of the other clips. Head over to the opacity in the effects controls and pick the pen tool. Then draw a rough mask around your head and increase the feather to blend the lighting of the clips a little bit better. And now it doesn't look like an editing trick, this looks very real. Next, we're gonna make the towel levitate into the sky. But first, I wanna show you something else. And that is Storyblocks, a sponsor of today's video, and they just came up with a brand new plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro, which allows you to download unlimited stock assets without even leaving Premiere. Let me demonstrate. Imagine you need a TV overlay effect to make your video look like a horror clip. Then all you need to do is type it in and boom, thousands of overlay effects right here available inside Premiere. Click the download button to select the type of file that you want to download, and before you know it, the file will be right in here inside the project window. But Jordy, where does Storyblocks save them? Well, that's completely up to you. You can click on the account icon and select download settings, and here you can choose the location of your assets folder, which ideally is inside of your project folder. This is really good news because now you can download over 1 million royalty-free high-quality stock assets right inside Premiere, and that will minimize disruptions like downloading and dragging your files into folders, going back to your browser and whatnot. We're done with that. The most important thing for us creators is that we need to focus on creating stuff, and thanks to this plugin, you can do that now. You can find animated backgrounds, awesome green screen videos, music, sound effects right inside Premiere. And all of this comes in HD and 4K resolution. The library keeps expanding with community-driven video assets, so you'll never run out of stock assets. So if you want to level up your content with a Storyblocks subscription, definitely check out the first link in the description down below, or you can also just go straight to storyblocks.com/Premiere Basics. And now it's time to let the towel move. I'm gonna be honest, guys, this one requires a lot of masking dedication, but if you push through, you can get amazing results. First, duplicate the mirror video, the one with the mask. Then go to the effects controls and delete that mask. Then head back to the timeline and move the playhead to the moment where the towel starts moving. Then trim the clip until it snaps with the playhead. Click the pen tool and go to the program monitor. Draw a mask around the towel, but keep in mind this mask has to be really precise if you want the effect to look really good. Create a keyframe and move 1 frame forward, then adjust the mask. Keep doing that until the shadow starts to appear from the towel, and also include the shadows inside of your mask. Obviously, we need them to make the effects look realistic. And then just keep adjusting the mask until you're at the end of the video, and now you have a long beard from all of this masking. But it looks really amazing, and as you can see, we still have a little problem. At the moment that the towel is being picked up, you can still see the towel of the original clip laying underneath. That looks terrible, but we can fix that by duplicating the towel clip and finding a frame where the towel is gone. Then just right-click on the second clip and select Add Frame Hold. Press Delete on your keyboard to delete the clip, and now trim the freeze frame clip until it's the same length as the towel clip. And now click the eye icon to hide the top layer so we can see the sync. With the second layer selected, go to the opacity and delete the mask. Click on the pen tool and go to the program monitor. Now draw a new mask around the towel and a small part of the sink. That looks awesome. That gives you a floating ghost mirror towel effect. I'm not sure how to name it, but there's still one thing missing, guys, and that is a scary color grade. So check out the video here on the left to learn how to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Storyblock, for your support. And as always, stay creative.